We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging, and today we're looking at this Brother MFC 9330. We're getting an error on the screen that indicates that we're going to have to replace the drum on this. And to do that, if you go underneath right here, there's a button. We're going to push that up. The whole machine is going to open up, and we're looking for the black. So on the sides, it will tell you which color is which. The back one is the black. We're going to pull it out. So on Brothers, we have a tone and drum unit. We're going to push the green little button. It pops up the tone. We're going to remove it. And then to put it back in, you would simply just place it, align it, and push it down until you hear a click. And then you would simply put it back in, close the unit. Now it's going to initialize, which is going to take a few minutes. So once it's done initializing, we have to reset drums and Brothers. So to do this, you're going to hit this little button with the screwdriver and wrench, and then go to all settings. Then you're going to go down to machine information. And then you're going to go down to part lives. On this screen, you won't see anything over here, but if you click over here, it will light up. You push and hold down the pound sign, and it might take a few minutes. Once the screen goes black again, the menu will change over here, and you click on the drum that you wanted it to reset, so in this case black, and then you push yes and it will reset your drum. So I hope that helps you guys. If you need anything else, just contact us or leave a comment and we can get back with you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.